This is how to use transparency in tiling. Tiling and transparency are in advanced settings in Leonardo AI, located in the sidebar under Advanced Settings. Tiling is used to make images seamless, perfect for patterns that can repeat smoothly in any direction. This feature is especially useful for backgrounds, textures, and wallpapers. Transparency allows you to generate images with transparent backgrounds, which is ideal if you want to layer your images onto other backgrounds or use them as design elements without a visible backdrop. Now let's check out the prompt I wrote for this design. I typed a highly detailed and vibrant cinematic photo of assorted skulls and bones arranged in an ornate gilded border set against a dark background. Notice how I'm being very specific with words like highly detailed, vibrant cinematic photo and ornate gilded border. These words help guide the AI to create images that feel rich, polished, and dramatic. As you can see, with a carefully crafted prompt and some creative settings, Leonardo AI can generate visually striking, complex images in a matter of seconds. Each variation has its own unique feel, whether it's vibrant, balanced, or dramatic. First, you have to choose any other preset style rather than Leonardo Phoenix because it cannot work with transparency. For example, I will use Cinematic Kino. Now I will enter a highly detailed and vibrant cinematic photo of assorted skulls and bones arranged in an ornate, gilded border set against a dark background. This prompt helps the AI understand that we want something rich in color. Small changes here can lead to dramatically different results. Remember, Leonardo AI offers both free and upgraded plans, which allow you to unlock priority generations and more tokens.